to HCN Evening News Bulletin with me, Clinton D'Souza, and here are the top stories. There is an uproar among the islanders of St. Jacinto's over Navy's plan to hoist the Indian flag, especially after Chief Minister called the islanders and people opposing the same as anti-national on Saturday. The paid islanders gathered several times over this. The church bell was rung for an emergency gathering. The islanders clarified emphatically that they was not opposed to any flag hoisting. They only asked for required permissions were taken, since this was the first time that Navy wanted to hoist a flag. However, the Navy, after initially calling off the flag hoisting program, met the villagers late on Saturday afternoon. Misunderstanding was resolved, and the Navy and the islanders hoisted the national flag together. Reacting to the Navy's announcement of cancelling the flag hoisting program, Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant on his Twitter late Friday evening said, "It is unfortunate and shameful that some individuals at St. Jacinto's Islands have objected to hoisting of the national flag by the Indian Navy on the occasion of India's Independence Day. I condemn this and want the state on record that my government will not tolerate any such acts. I have requested the Indian Navy to go ahead and with their original plan and have assured full cooperation from Goa Police. These attempts of anti-India activities shall be dealt with iron fist. It will always be nation first," he added. However, people from the island and others were shocked at the CM statement and called it irresponsible. Watch now.
Yesterday, the Navy came to put the flag. So people asked them, they said, "We are going to put a flag." They said, "No." "Have you got letter? You brought anything written?" They said, "No." So they were disappointed and they did not want that they should put the flag. And today, we have put the flag, showing the unity among Navy and ourselves to show that we have no grudge against our brothers and sisters. So today is we have done everything well and everything is settled peacefully. Nothing is against. Everything is done peacefully.
So why exactly it happened? Because they did not intimate you all people. What exactly happened?
They did not bring any notice, something written.
Huh.
So they did not know why they are come.
Huh.
We asked them to show letter, something if you have come with us.
Yesterday morning, some personnel from the Indian Navy came on the island and they wanted to dig and put up some stuff, which the islanders were a little suspicious. And they asked, "Why have you come?" And they said they want to hoist the flag. So they said, "Suddenly why you all want to hoist the flag?" Because every Independence Day and every Republic Day, there has been a tradition of these islanders that they have been hoisting the flag. So they were surprised at why suddenly now the Indian Navy is stepping in. Now you may be surprised at why the people were little suspicious. There is a reason for that. Because 2 years back, there was something called a Coastal Zone Management Plan. A draft of that was prepared by the government and sent to the village. And when the villagers examined, they found that the houses, the heritage structures, important structures and landmarks were missing from that map. And they were worried. Where did the houses go? A few months later, there was something called ODP 2030, draft ODP, that is Outline Development Plan, that was prepared by the Mormugao Development Planning Authority, MPDA. When that ODP draft was put in the ambit of the public inspected, the islanders inspected, and they found the houses are not there, but there are wide roads that have been shown. Wide roads is an indication that some mega projects are being planned on the island. So where would they go? So they were worried.
First of all, this is Azadi Ka Amrit Utsav. So that Amrit should have been experienced by all these people. But suddenly it was turning out to be a poison instead of Amrit. And I really salute the Navy, because Navy is supposed to defend the people, for the defense of people. And when the politicians attack the people today, even including our CM, Navy stood by the people to defend them in a way that they came over here again, they spoke to the people, they interacted with the people, and together with the people of this place, they unfurled the tricolor. And that is really Amrit. I feel this is Amrit.
हो फ्लॅग हॉस्टिंग करपाक कोणाकूय बंदी आयज पासून घालूना. जेन्ना आमच्या गांवकारांमध्ये एक फियर जालो, जेन्ना नेव्हीचे ऑफिसर येवन फॉरेन घेवन कुदय घेवन सगळे येवन ते फोडपाक लागले, तेन्ना लोक आबूज जालो. आनी हो फियर आयज पासून कित्याक आहा की आयज पासून जेन्ना आमी एक ग्रँड हायत लँडाचेर आमी वयताले मोटार, थिंगा वयताले ते आमचे पुर्वज, आमचे जाणटे पायचे पाय हे जे वयताले ते आमी सेलिब्रेट करताले, ते आयज आमचे नेवीन हायला. दुसरें जे आमी बोगमोडो त्या वाटेन आमच्यो फिशरमॅन आमी चलोन वयताले, ते चलोन वयताले ती वाट बंद केल्या. हे जे फियर आयज आमचे उरले, आमकां दिसलें हे माणकुलें जे आमचे सेंट जाशीत आयलँड आहा, हे माणकुलें आमचे सेंट जाशीत आमच्या हातींतलें वचोंक शकता.